Slingui's Whiteboard is a real-time collaborative tool. This means that as soon as both the teacher and students enter the whiteboard, everyone can see what the others are doing instantly. No need for screen sharing. The whiteboard updates in real time for all participants. You'll find the whiteboard in the classroom. Teachers have the ability to create and manage as many whiteboards as they need. You can organize and prepare whiteboards before the class begins, so they're ready when you need them. Whiteboards can be managed both during and outside of video calls, giving teachers flexibility in planning. During a video call, click this button to access your whiteboard list. Select the whiteboard you want to present to students. Once you select it, the whiteboard button will appear for the students as well, allowing them to join the whiteboard. Remember, only teachers can create and choose which whiteboard to present during class. By default, students will only have access to the whiteboard during the live video call. If you want them to access the whiteboard after class, use the Share button to give them ongoing access. You can share it through this option here or here. To create a new whiteboard, click New Whiteboard. At the bottom of the whiteboard, you'll find a variety of tools for drawing and annotating. The pen, eraser, arrows, text tool, sticky notes, shapes, highlighter, and the laser pointer to draw attention to specific areas. The audio player tool allows you to upload an audio file directly from your computer, which can be played on the whiteboard. With the Asset tool, you can upload personal images and videos to the whiteboard. The Frame tool enables you to create mini whiteboards, which help you organize different sections of your whiteboard. You can rename these frames for easy reference. To select elements on the whiteboard, press V to enter selection mode. Press H or hold the spacebar to enter hand mode. This allows you to move around the whiteboard freely. On the right side, you'll find design options like colors and opacity. For shapes, you can adjust fill options, dash options, and size. When working with text, you can change font size, font type, and alignment. At the bottom left, there's a mini map of the whiteboard that helps you navigate larger boards. You can also zoom in and out using the zoom options. Double-click anywhere on the map to quickly move to that section. On the top left, you'll find additional tools and settings to further customize your whiteboard experience. Whiteboards aren't limited to a single page. You can manage and create as many pages as you need for your lesson, keeping your material well organized. Use the top left tools to undo or redo actions, delete selections, duplicate items, and arrange multiple objects on the whiteboard for better organization. Want to save a copy of your whiteboard? In the Settings menu, use the Export option to save an image of the whiteboard to your device for later reference. In the Insert Embed menu, you can enrich your whiteboard with various integrations like Google Maps, YouTube, Google Slides, Spotify, and more. You can even embed iframes, PDFs, and other content to enhance your lesson. That's a quick overview of Slingui's collaborative whiteboard. Whether you're a teacher or a student, this tool will help you engage with content in real time and collaborate seamlessly during class. Have fun exploring the possibilities with Slingui's whiteboard.